Welcome to this week's weekly vlog. Today is Tuesday? It's Tuesday. Girl, I am beat. I'm tired. I did not want to jump on here and complain because I'm finally getting out of the house. I'm feeling a little stir crazy. Right now it's about 7 o'clock. I've been working all day, wig installs, like all types of stuff. And I feel so jumbled. I don't know what happens. Like when it gets around 5 o'clock, I get really antsy. I wonder if that's like corporate indoctrination. I used to think it was sunlight, but I think it has something to do with corporate. I don't know. Can y'all see that? I don't think y'all can see my oven. Girl, I need to clean my oven. Don't even say nothing to me. I'm headed out. I'm about to go grab some food for lunch. What was that? That's my camera. I'm about to grab some food for lunch at 7 o'clock, but I eat only twice a day. So I'm about to go pick up some wings. Cause I deserve it. They're grilled wings, but I deserve it. Okay, I'm gonna pick up some wings, and I have to do like some B-roll shooting for, I think is this my first reel? It's like my second reel sponsorship that I've ever gotten. The reason why we really here is because you see the scalp on my head? Lately, I've been into straight hair. Like, I don't know what it is, but straight hair has been my thing. And this wig today is so cute. And I want to say thank you to XrsBeautyHair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this portion of this vlog, because I'm able to go out like this, girl. Look, there's something that never replaces a lace frontal wig. It just don't. And this wig eats it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this wig install, and then I'll meet y'all in the car. Bet. Oh, actually, I need to show y'all my outfit first. This is my outfit, girl. Okay, I got on these shorts from Amazon. The shirt's from Amazon, but these are Levi shorts. This is from TJ Maxx, and I have on my Nike shoes. Girl, I was gonna wear crew socks to be like the kids, but girl, it's hot. What am I gonna wear crew socks for? And plus, I can't find any. I think they're in the dryer somewhere. So I'm just gonna head out now, grab some food, do a return at Nordstrom, and then I think that's it. Let's vibe out with XrsBeauty and this hair so y'all can see this full install, because she ate, y'all. So of course your wig is gonna come in the XrsBeautyHair box, and inside that box you'll receive this gorgeous wig. This wig is the 13x6 HD lace front wig with clear lace and a clean hairline. This is in the body wave texture, and it is 18 inches long and 150% density. When I tell you this lace has a beautiful plication, and it also blends into the skin with this clear lace, baby, you got to take advantage of it because you can see straight through it. It's better than your regular brown lace and your transparent lace, babe. It's so easy to apply. So let's go ahead and get into this application. I will leave a link for this wig down below and a coupon code. So thank you again to XrsBeautyHair. Now let's go ahead and vibe out with this wig application.